Alright, well, we're back at the beehives today and found a couple more deadouts, which is to be expected this time of year. And we figured we'd come back and do a quick little hive autopsy. We didn't see any evidence on the bottom boards of a mite infestation, so it's kind of up in the air as to what killed them. It could be starvation, but we wouldn't really know that because of how warm it's been the last couple of days. If these got found out by their neighbors, they would have robbed any residual honey stores anyway. So this is more a matter of just ripping the hives apart and seeing what else is going on inside of them at the moment. Foundation. More foundation. There's some residual honey in the corners. Lots of pollen. Should be scraping this propolis off is what I should be doing. And saving it. Because that stuff is worth money. What? As you can see, this is what's left of the cluster, but there's a queen market sitting right in the middle of all that. Let's start on the outside and work our way in if we can. Does not want to come apart. There we go. Foundation frame. You can see robbing activity on the outside here. When bees work inside their own colony, they're a lot more gentle, whereas this is just cleaned out.
So there must have been honey left over.
There was honey left over in there. It was so far away from the cluster, still doesn't guarantee that they didn't just starve. More improperly drawn comb. It's weird. Oh, I wasn't scraping the frames off. Now that is foundationless comb. Full of drone. Do I need to be scraping these off?
Just go through the hive.
Go back for it later. Something cleaned that off. I wonder what. Let's see what's up with the cluster. Foundation frame. Next to nothing left.
See the bees head in dead there.
It doesn't necessarily mean starvation, but judging by how there's nothing around here, that's probably what it was. Sometimes they'll go head first like that for heat generation purposes. Whatever it was, it must have been sudden because they apparently had the population to rear brood and it just collapsed.
I don't see a queen.
I don't see a queen either, but a bunch of bees fell on the tailgate.
But yeah, there's definitely brood activity.
queen. She must have been one of the fatalities of whatever it was that cleaned them out. Some honey stores in this. Man, beautiful worker comb. Here, look, a yellow jacket. Packages will love this in the spring. And the nukes that we make. And we're drawing brood out. Or not drawing brood, they were raising brood. A lot of it, actually. Wonder if some of the warm weather that we had earlier in the year might have tricked them. I doubt it, but there, that is a possibility. You can tell they put a lot of cycles of brood through this. This is all drawn this year. More dots of brood, a little bit of honey, but you can tell this was robbed. It's looking like starvation on this one.
Communication hall.
There it is again, big dot of brood, no stored honey. But that is just some nice worker comb there. There's half the cluster. I think I see a queen on the frame next to it, and we'll see in a second. Yeah, they were clustered. There was no residual honey underneath of them. I'm thinking starvation here. Yep, there she is. Right there. And there's dots of brood, stored pollen, no honey, and no signs of robbing. I am thinking these poor girls starved.